I could literally call and say, hey, man, the state's driving nuts. Go get them. Right? I mean,
Other way around. Oh, sorry.
wait a second. Have we done PC on Have we done PC already on that?
Not in this court. I don't know if probable cause was already found. I forgot to ask.
I don't see that it has on my end.
Okay. All right.
Just Your Honor, no.
Ms. Dunson.
Good morning, how are you?
Amy, charged with driving while intoxicated, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On April 21st, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer was dispatched in reference to a wrong-way driver and initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle described by the 911 caller. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant and the defendant handed the law enforcement officer an unopened alcoholic beverage. The law enforcement officer noticed the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from the vehicle, and the defendant appeared unstable and fell against her car. The defendant stated she spilled a whole can of beer on herself earlier. The defendant's vehicle appeared to have fresh damage consistent with hitting a curb. Standardized field sobriety tests were conducted, where the officer observed 6 out of 6 clues in the HGN, 3 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. An inventory search revealed 3 open and empty beer cans in the back seat floorboard and other unopened alcoholic beverages. The defendant considered to breath and blew .143 and .145.
What did you say the stop was for?
The stop was for, there was a 911 call that stated there was a vehicle driving the wrong way and described the vehicle. The officer found the vehicle.
Driving the wrong way?
I'm not sure. Well, the officer found the vehicle was not driving the wrong way, but it matched the description given by the 911.
Right. Anyone can call and say anything. Did he view any kind of traffic infraction? I could literally call and say, hey, man, the state's driving nuts. Go get them. Right? I mean, no.
There's
Yeah.
no other
Okay.
traffic infraction.
Ms. Benson, I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward with your case. There's enough death and destruction on our streets. Now, play it safe. The last thing you need is to end up in a 6x9 because if you get into an accident, maim, kill someone, especially with alcohol in the car. Do you understand? Play it safe. Don't make any boneheaded moves. Please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the bench order, we bring you real stories that remind us why making the right choices can save lives. In Harris County, Texas, on April 21st, 2025, a 911 call reported a vehicle driving the wrong way. Officers quickly located the car, which matched the caller's description, and initiated a stop. Upon approaching the driver, they immediately detected the strong smell of alcohol. The driver, appearing unsteady and even falling against her own car, tried to explain by saying she had spilled a beer on herself earlier. But that wasn't the only red flag. The vehicle showed fresh damage, possibly from hitting a curb, and during a search, officers found multiple empty beer cans along with unopened containers. A breathalyzer test confirmed a blood alcohol content of 0.143 and 0.145, nearly twice the legal limit. However, despite these findings, the court faced a critical question. Was there probable cause for the stop? The defense argued that the driver wasn't seen committing a traffic violation, and the stop relied solely on a 911 caller's report. The judge ultimately ruled there was no probable cause to proceed with the case. But before concluding, the judge issued a powerful warning, one that applies to us all. There is already too much death and destruction on our streets. If you drink, don't drive. Don't make a move that could land you in a 6x9 cell, or worse, take someone's life. This case is a wake-up call. Alcohol and driving never mix. The risk isn't just legal trouble, it's irreversible tragedy. The lesson? Play it safe. Call a friend. Use a ride service. Or simply stay put until you're sober. Because one careless decision can cost more than just a fine or a jail term. It can cost a life. This is the bench order. Stay smart. Stay safe. And remember, the choices you make today could save lives tomorrow.